My name's Jordan Bedford. I teach fundamentals of construction, MEP, and electrical systems. So in the first one, it's fundamentals of construction, and what we go through in there is really your basic construction items. What's the different types of bits and screwdrivers? How do we use power tools? So really just your basic entry-level information there. In that class, we do have the opportunity of building multiple items, whether that's outdoor benches or cornhole boards or anything like that, to get the students to have hands-on experience. In the second class of MEP, that's mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. In that course, we start diving into the electrical systems a little bit, touching on the mechanical side, which is HVAC and plumbing as well. But with this program of study being more focused in electrical, we do spend a little bit more time in the electrical systems portion. The third level class is electrical systems, and that's when we start getting into the code, into the different types of wiring, really get a chance to get our hands dirty and get into wiring some pretty interesting projects. We participate in SkillsUSA, and we have a SkillsUSA chapter here that's really popular and growing immensely. In my courses, we compete in electrical wiring at SkillsUSA as well as carpentry. That club is something that gives the students time to be competitive and really show their skills to the surrounding area. And then also, of course, we do have work-based learning, great partnership with many industry partners. We have a student right now that's working with an electrician out in the field and gaining great knowledge. Of course, with it being kind of a wide base with construction, we also have heavy machine and we have carpentry, and we have some great placements with the county as well. So our work-based learning program is very solid and continuing to grow. When taking CTE courses in a shop setting, normally you come in with the expectation that I'm going to be up moving around, I'm going to be working with my hands, and that's what we're doing 90 or 100% of the time. In this class and many of the other CTE courses, there is a kind of a knowledge base or bookwork portion to that. That's not everybody's favorite, but it's highly important that we spend enough time learning the material so that we can then take it into apply it into the field. Come in and be engaged. You may not be the type of person that thinks they're good at math, but construction math can be fun, and it can be something that you can take those algebra skills and apply onto something that you can see. Like myself, I'm a very hands-on visual person. Then it kind of comes to life. So I would say come in with an open mind and be prepared to really dig in and get excited about it. In these courses, we have the great honor and pleasure of the school coming to us and asking us to do different variety of type of projects. We've built benches, we've built a picnic table to give away at the end of the year to a teacher. We're in the process of building cornhole boards to give away this year to a teacher. So when the school comes to us, rather than be in the classroom setting all day, we get to go out into the hallways, go outside and build a ticket booth for the football stadium. We have these different opportunities that is pretty cool when you're walking down through the hallways at the end of the day with your buddy and you say, hey, I built that, or hey, I helped on that. I really enjoy those types of things. What I would say to anybody interested is come back here and visit anytime. Ask students that have been in here before what it's like. We try to have a good time, but also try to make sure that when you come in here, you don't feel like you're wasting your time or you don't get anything out of it. Our industry credentials can be utilized in a variety of different places. So when you come back here and you lock in, we can prepare you for whether it's an engineering pathway, plumber, an electrician, or carpenter, anything in those types of trades, we can prepare you and really get your foot in the door in a lot of cool places.